Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick update video regarding the Eachine Novice-I Ready to Fly set, which I've recently reviewed. In my review, I told you that the main problem with this kit is the bundled remote controller, which is not very precise, and even for me as an experienced pilot, it was hard to control the quadcopter, so it could have been much better if Eachine included a better remote controller, such as the Radiolink T8S. After testing it out, I can tell you that the T8S remote controller works incredibly better with the Novice-I than the Eachine rebranded hobby-ported WT8 remote controller. Since both radio transmitters pretty much have the same proportions, it's going to fit without any problem inside the case of the Eachine Novice-I. It features an internal rechargeable battery. It is going to dramatically increase the range of the Novice-I, as the maximum range of the built-in SPI-RX receiver is about 150 meters, and the maximum range of the RTFM receiver, which is bundled with the T8S remote controller, is about 1 kilometer. Finally, and most important, the T8S remote controller features high-quality gimbals that are going to enable you to precisely control the Novice drone. Connecting the Radiolink RTFM receiver to the all-in-one flight controller of the Eachine Novice is fairly simple. You will need to power it up using the plus 5 volts and ground pads on the all-in-one flight controller, and pay attention that the S-bus wire needs to be soldered to the IR1 and not the RX1 pad. Now we need to set up the external receiver, so in order to do that, connect the Eachine Novice-I to your computer, head over to Betaflight, go to the configuration tab, and under the receiver tab, select CL-based receiver, S-bus, hit save and reboot. And now, if everything went well, you'll be able to control the Eachine Novice-I using the Radiolink T8S remote controller. Now you need to make sure that all the sticks are working properly, and in case you will need to redefine one of the auxiliary switches or reverse one of the channels, I recommend to check out my review of the Radiolink T8S in this link over here, where I show how it's done. While testing the Eachine Novice-I with the upgraded remote controller, I was also testing the Eachine EW30 FPV goggles, and I used its built-in DVR in order to record the Novice-I flights. Even though these goggles are using low-resolution screens, they cost $50 and they're way better than the Eachine VR005, so in case your budget is limited, I recommend to check them out. In addition, the Eachine EW30 are not much bigger than the Eachine VR005, and after removing some foam, they are going to fit inside the case of the Novice-I. So overall, in my opinion, this travel-friendly kit will provide you with an enjoyable flying experience, especially when you are on the go, and if you are afraid of traveling with your expensive equipment, or you're simply afraid like me to leave it in the car, it can be a very nice solution. I'm going to wrap up this video with some flight footage, and by the way, I was testing this kit while I was on a vacation, so you'll be able to see some different scenery. One last tip before showing you the flight footage: if you get confused between the charged and the discharged batteries, I recommend to keep the charged batteries in this position, and when you put them back, just pop up the ballast connector, and then it's going to be pretty clear which batteries are charged and which are not. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.
I crave your silhouette more than a little bit. You plan on making me wet just for the thrill of it. Wasted on you. I have enough for each other's eyes, both dancing to the beat. So caught up with, don't realize, clothes dropping to our feet, wasted on you. I have enough for two, still you have to. Give to me. Lost in each other's eyes, both dancing to the beat.